Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We just got our new camera in. We're going to do an unboxing video. We got the whole, it's like a combo kit or something like that, where you buy the camera and you get all the accessories too. So let's open it up and see what we got. So a lot of different stuff in here. Looks like we got a V3 Pro directional microphone. You can get a close up of that. That hooks up to the back of the camera like that. That's part of the package. We got the flash, the top of the camera. So it goes under and connects in. The Vivatar rapid wall charger. We got the wide angle lens. And this is the Canon EOS 80D. This one looks like it's all banged up and open, but this is the 4 close-up lenses for the camera. This looks like another lens. Yeah, the lens for the camera. I'll put that back in there. Garbage. Another thing, we got the Pro Series 3-piece digital filter kit. The USB drive, hard drive card. Looks like a laser pointer. I don't know what that is. This is the tripod. So it looks like all Vivatar stuff. So a tripod for the camera.
Bag with it?
Yep, got the bag with it. So looks like our other charger we got. I'll leave that in there. Carrying case bag. It's going to carry out the whole camera and all the accessories. And here is the camera. The EOS 80D comes in a separate box. So this over here. Looks like some packing stuff. I don't know what this is, but it was in the bottom of the box. And there's everything else. Here's my receipt. It was almost $1,200 with tax. We'll put a link down in the description for this bundle part. And we're going to start shooting our YouTube videos on this camera, so you'll be able to see the quality. Let's put this on the side, and we're going to open up some of this stuff. Get a chair here. So this is like a small multi-pack with a bunch of stuff in there. It's got the USB drive, ScanDisk card, and other stuff. It's got a 32 gig ScanDisk card. That's what I already said. This looks like the shoulder strap, wrist strap for the DSLR. I don't know what this is. Looks like a turkey baster. And if I didn't already say, guys, this is all new to me. The best camera I ever had was on my iPhone, so. Jaden, come here.
Cheer. Hey.
That's good for that, at least.
So, hair cushioning. What's that?
Looks like a hairbrush. Come here.
No!
And this is the USB drive. Open this up and see what it's all about. It's kind of fun. Okay, there's that. This must plug into the camera or something. Oh, you know what? You put the ScanDisk card in here, and that goes in the USB in case you don't have a ScanDisk card on your computer. Okay. On the side. Get that open?
Trying.
Jaden's opening the boom mic right now. Let me open this camera and see what's going on with this. So you got the instruction booklet, manual, won't be reading that. Manual in Spanish, definitely won't be reading that.
The best part about that.
Jaden's got the boom mic open.
Nope, don't want these.
Don't want the instructions.
Do you want, would we put this on?
That goes over the microphone.
Would we ever put this on?
Yeah. There's distortion.
We'll put this on and
This is the microphone plugged in the camera, and this is the cover for it to help the sound.
then after, we'll show you guys what it all looks like in pieces.
Okay, there's that.
That's what after.
Looks like another wall charger.
Are we just gonna?
We already have this wall charger, so now we got two. Canon one came with it.
We should
Strap for your shoulder. Battery, we're gonna put this on the charger right away so we can charge it up.
We should like put it all together and then we'll show them.
There we go.
We'll put this on so see how it looks. What do we need to put
Here's
this
the
on?
camera, it's in this.
Let's try putting this on. Okay, and this will probably plug into the.
That plugs in the camera.
Yep.
There's that, got the lens cap on it.
Now that's a nice camera.
Pretty lightweight.
Here, let's put this on.
About a pound.
I'll put it on after.
Looks like this is the top for all the connections, so yeah, that goes right on there. So, give me a couple minutes. I'm gonna attach everything, charge the battery, and we'll test some of the functions. So we got a bunch of things out. We got the mic on top. It just clips in like this. There's a little like square thing. Clips right in, kind of locks in a little bit, and you can tighten it down. Do different angles and stuff. I guess, I don't know. And it plugs into the side. We got the camera itself on. This screen will come out and flip around. So you could have it on the side like that, like this. And like I said before, I'm no expert in this camera. This is my first DSLR I ever got. And we're gonna be filming all our YouTube videos on that. This comes out to zoom out. A lot of different options on here. So we got everything in the bag. It's a tight fit. You might have to take the lens cover off there, but this is a handy bag for all your accessories and everything like that. And got a little dirt right there. But nice little bag to keep all your stuff in. Might try another case in the future, but this one works pretty good for now, so we're gonna keep it and looking good. And we haven't tried the flash yet or anything like that, but overall, this tripod's a little flimsy. We have another one already we're probably gonna use instead of this one, just because like if you kick the edge a little bit, this whole thing will come crumbling down. So we'll probably change up this tripod, but overall I'm pretty happy with the camera within my first hour of owning it. And we're gonna continue to get better at this, and hope you enjoyed the video.